First, the top news headlines. MPP continues to witness organizational decline due to infighting. Brown sugar seized, men held at Palel along Imphal More Road. Farmers have new opportunities with new farm laws, says Prime Minister Modi. And one CRPF commando killed, 9 others hurt in IED blast in Chhattisgarh. Very good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. As a responsible citizen, it is our duty to minimize the spread of coronavirus as much as possible. Wash your hands frequently with soap for at least 20 seconds. Using an alcohol-based sanitizer also helps keep the virus at bay. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Avoid stepping out unless absolutely necessary. Always wear a mask before stepping out and even in your own home in the presence of outsiders, as masks have been proven effective in containing the virus. Maintain a social distance of at least 2 meters in public places. Now the news in detail. A neutral body of Central Committee has sought public support for Manipur People's Party (MPP) as the infighting within the party organization has worsened. MPP is the oldest regional political party in the Northeast India and also in among the top 3 oldest parties of the country. However, it continues to witness organizational decline. MPP has been witnessing a heavy fall because of some pseudo-party men trying to get personal gain. Committee co-convener Khongban Tabam SURAJ Chandra told media at Manipur Press Club in Imphal. SURAJ Chandra added that the members of the neutral body of Central Committee have been putting efforts to bring an amicable solution to the party, which has been divided into 3 now. He sought public support in reviving and strengthening MPP.
Party sibu nungsijaba party gi hana party sibu yawiramba aduga party bu nungsibiriba Manipur gi miyamna amutang yeng changbiraga party se hana gumna amutang hinganba ngamnaba honabiyu haiba mating nijabaga loina na Sahi ohum office bear leilaktaba haibase Manipur gi tangaba adumba India gi oinasu khwaidi lirba ahum subo oiriba adu north gi oigina khwaidi gi lirba khwaidi yana hariba regional political party se kanminabada miyam gi thodang adu mating pangbiyu haina neutral central committee body gi mafam degi nolukna khurumjari.
A team of Kaching commandos seized a huge quantity of suspected brown sugar contained in 11 soap caps and arrested a man for possessing the illegal contraband drug at the gate of Palel police station along Imphal More highway. He was coming from More in an auto as per a police report. He has been identified as Muhammad Abdul Karim, aged 23 years, son of Muhammad Anamuddin from Sorachingza Lekai under Kaching district, presently staying at More Ward number 5, Muslim Nagar. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today reassured farmers on the recently enacted farm laws, as he said that with the latest reforms in the agriculture sector, farmers have got new opportunities. Speaking to the public during Man Ki Baat, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said the recently passed farm reforms have not only broken the shackles of farmers but have also given new rights and opportunities to them. Prime Minister Modi added that the demands made by farmers over the years, which every government had only promised to meet so far, have finally been met with the new reforms. Prime Minister Modi further called on farmers to stay away from rumors and false information, stating that the right information is a great support for every person in every sector. The newly enacted laws have led to protests by farmers from Punjab and Haryana who are camping in and around Delhi, demanding that the laws should be taken back by the centre. Farmers are protesting against the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Act 2020, the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Service Act 2020 and the Essential Commodities Amendment Act 2020. One officer of CRPF's Cobra Commando Battalion for Resolute Action Unit was killed, 9 others injured in an IED blast triggered by Naxals in Chhattisgarh's Sukma district on late last evening, an official said. According to media reports, the improvised explosive device went off in the forest near Tadmetla village when a team of security forces was out on an anti-Naxal operation. Inspector General of Police Bastar Range SURAJ P said at least 5 personnel belonging to Cobra's 206th Battalion sustained injuries in the blast, adding that the injured are being evacuated from the forest. A CRPF official said that one of the 5 personnel has suffered critical injuries. Well, it's time now for a short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Kangla Food Products ki ahangba fam khara lawjagadauri. Famsing adudi Quality Food Analyst ama, Mahigi Thak BSc in Food Science and Technology, Natraga BTech in Food Technology and Process and Food Engineering, Fresher Singsu apply to birakpa yagani. Loinana helper amasu lawjagani. Nupi ne hena pamjai. Famsing asida apply to winning basingna isagi update oiraba resume, isagi passport size photograph amadi apply to riba post ki maminga konana radia.langam@gmail.com natraga makhada pijariba address asida November kuntragi mamangda thazin biro. L Radia Devi, HR Manager, Kangla Food Products, Nambol Poising, Makhalekai. Contact number 70052939662.
lamjingba finance na COVID-19 na thogal liba khudong chadba mayam si uziraga collateral security yautana document chang dana yamna komo mongda loan fanganjergani shahida subnatagi chada tarani thoigi interest rate tap business loan against property, vehicle loan, commercial equipment loan, commercial vehicle loan ki khudong chaba pizari han loan lawi kiba singi suwana go makhal gi loan asi lawgi khudong chaba pizagani akupa morol ki ma contact to below lamjingba finance nagamapal. Contact number 7085-831-502 natraga 9862-629-399.
Now enjoy 20% extra on Kangla Popcorn, Kangla Milky Balls and Kangla Rings.
Kangla.
Yumdagi hek chathokiba matamda chingnadaba ngamde selu charuba firol da su virus asi adum pusilakpa yabagi akiba lei
Firol da virus changandanaba Bharat amasung Americana scientifically yanaraba India gi ahanba virus cover spray. Nano coating asina pungni funipan fawa virus ngakthok pangame. Firol da kapiduna virus tagi ngakthok piu. Virus coverage.
Welcome back after the break. According to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, 41,810 new COVID-19 infections were recorded within 24 hours in the country, taking the total cases rise to 93,92,920. With 496 new deaths, toll mounts to 1,36,696. The total discharge cases stand at 88,02,267 with 42,298 new discharges in the last 24 hours. A media report said Maharashtra reported 5,965 new positive cases of COVID-19, taking the tally of total cases to 18,14,515 yesterday. According to the State Public Health Department, at least 75 people succumbed to the coronavirus in the past 24 hours, taking the death toll in Maharashtra to 46,986. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited facilities in 3 cities to review the development and manufacturing process of COVID-19 vaccines and get a first-hand perspective of the preparations, challenges and roadmap in India's endeavor to vaccinate its citizens. Apart from Bharat Biotech facility in Hyderabad, he visited Zydus Biotech Park in Ahmedabad and Serum Institute of India in Pune yesterday. The case tally of COVID-19 in Manipur has reached 24,749 to date. In the past 24 hours, 230 fresh cases were recorded in the state. 7 died of the deadly disease in the last 24 hours, including a 90-year-old man from Tamil district. Now, the death toll has surged to 263 in the state. The active cases now stand at 3,283, while the recovery is at 21,203. The recovery rate stands at 85.67% as per the government COVID-19 Command Control Room. Manipur Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah today extended her heartiest greetings to the people of Manipur, especially the Sikh brethren, on the sacred occasion of Guru Nanak Dev Ji's birth anniversary tomorrow. In her message, Dr. Najma Heptullah stated that Guru's universal vision and humanism have been an inspiration to people everywhere. She appealed to all to endeavor to follow the Guru's profound teachings and work to strengthen the bonds of togetherness. She further continued that Guru Nanak's inspiring teachings of the vulnerable will always guide one in creating a prosperous and harmonious society. A suspicious package created panic among residents of Khergaon Sabalekai under Porompat police station in Imphal East this morning. The package was found at the residence of one Serkhan Yumkhaibam, aged 32, a local resident. A team of Porompat police station rushed to the spot and later discovered the package being contained with heroin. Serkhan Yumkhaibam told TOMTV that the incident was not the first time. According to Serkhan, one Muhammad Nazakat from Ketrigao Yumkhaibam Makhalikai had tried to frame him by informing the police that he was a drug smuggler. Serkhan blamed one Nazakat for today's incident.
Sigi posaksin nungalam daida angang sing na kainu ay khangda na ay kauraga engan ba matamda masi posi oirambane si mamang da su aingon da thokre sigi thauduk si Khergaon Yumkhaibam dagi MD Nazakat ko bomana ai bu sira laaga adugi loinak aingon da proof laije video camera recording laije.
Kaching District Task Force, in collaboration with District Administration Kaching, today organized a mass motorbike rally on COVID-19 cum drug abuse awareness in Kaching District. Our correspondent reports the bike rally covered different parts of Kaching District. Kaching District Task Force convener Manishwar Kuman and Kaching District Deputy Commissioner Kengu Juringla jointly flagged off the rally from the Youth Voluntary Association Palil Playground. Kaching Superintendent of Police Yengkom Victoria personally took part in the rally, which passed through Palil Market, Kaching Market, Wabagai Market and Sugnu Market before ending at Sero. Around 200 individuals took part in the rally.
Spare to with the Anabasina. Punchisi Lotoko Yaba, Punchisi Manghanba Yaba, she labani, Adubu, I call a shigi the Magta Haina Yamkina, Hingba Hypasigi, Punchisi Oihanganusi, I call Nasigi share. Mayok Nasi, Kramana Mayok Naga the Bra Haragadi, I call Nasugumba awareness program Chilo Katlaga, I call Karamhaina, healthy habits, how to stay safe, how to stay healthy, Haibagi, Matanga Sida, publishing Muzu aware of Hanba, family Busu. Family members sing kana loy na magbo asigi message si khanghalaga aikoi gi society si healthy oi hanba
akoi covid khakta dan natana lairiba inkhalak liba naron singda hojuji masa mau phana laitaba aduga moren daul torpa nisha da laisurakpa makhal khuding maki nisha sina akoi gi tungi yumbi oi gadawa naha singsi Mapangan solan dura sum charba yumbi oil lakpa sidagi akhoi kanna bai aduguma message ama pi boina ngasigi release sinjabani.
Arrested a man along with a Canadian bike near Wangjing Bazaar. Maibam Gopi Mohan Singh, aged 50 years, son of late M. Mani Singh of Wangjing Tekchamlekai, was later handed over to Thawal District Police Station along with the seized vehicle for further necessary legal action, police said. Joint Coordination Committee on Wildlife and Biodiversity JCCWB Manipur, an umbrella body of wildlife organization in Manipur, along with People for Nature PFN Thawal District, have been planting saplings and objective to increase greenery in Manipur. The organizations, however, expressed displeasure over destruction of several saplings which were planted on June 18, 2020. They said the saplings were destroyed after some people burned paddy straws. Saplings planted by JCWWB and PFN at Khangabok Patri, Leipat Local were also found burned today. However, some members of the two bodies rushed to the site and managed to save some of these saplings from the fire. JCCWB urged the higher authority to take initiative for implantation of Tree Preservation Act in Manipur in order to prevent unwanted incidents in future. Let's take another short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Kangleipak News Tengbang Loop KNTL Manipurna Haukiba English Singani Taramapanda Kana Lejadraba Awana Taraba Imungi Ningol Sing Amadi KNTL gi member Ningol Singbu Chakaubugi Thoram Pangthokibagum Kumsi Chahi English Singani Kungisu Ningol Chakaubugi Thoram Lakliba December Mangada Khangabok Patri Makhalekai da Pangthokjargani Thoramasida Piba Oibasing Amadi Miyamna Sarukyabiu Loinana Mating Pangbiu Haina KNTL gi Maikaidagi Fongdokjari
Sina fare tan badinate ko asengba aina pamba darkar hoiba grocery items singa red delivery app seasonaraga order to biro loire chaningba restaurant gi food po erasu overpay to budilar dana pot khudingma discount pibaga loinana khudakte inakte yore isine red delivery for you.
Admission form Thazare, Manipur University Kanchipur Manaka Laiba Temple of Learning Degree College ki admission form Thazare. Professional course da BBA amasung BCA ne. General course da BA amasung BSc course ne. Loinana Temple of Learning Toll ki CBSE amasung atopa board ki pass rupa mahiru sing yenglaga class 11 Science Arts amari Commerce ki mingjan form Thazare. Athubada mingjan bheu akupa marol college amasung school ki office ta ki khangbi beagane.
Thoibi Thaza chengna orslau. Ai khau lo thogi.
Marks di
Kaigi marks no.
Kaigi marks no bu kaino hujik oiriba COVID-19 gi laichit asida marks yauduna thokpa habese khudong thiningai natra
Thaza ai sukhange ai anaba minati marks laibada changadaba sel duna ko mathap ahawba dum chathoke
nangi sidi lairik hairaga laisu khangdaba habeduni marks upana chinna tondagi tholakpa lok tinna chingba sing phajin gadori bane nushita yaramba amora kai sing do marks upadi hakchangna changakpadagi ngakthok toine
adudi Thaza ai marks amta upugige
COVID-19 laichatagi thingnanaba chathokka matamda mask upiyu season nabiru raba disposable mask sing mafam chaba yenglaga mai thadokpiyu natragana phumjinbiyu fina sem sajaba mask sing oiragana nimit khudingi suk samthokpiraba matungda da season nabiyu
Isagi mamal yamlaba punsibu kansi amadi atopagi punsibu khudongthiba sidagi ngakthoksi
Welcome back. Members of Lamding Educated Welfare Association, Liwa Thobal District today carried out a road cleaning program. A press release from Liwa informed that the cleaning program was taken up in view of the roads being dirtied by tractors and other machineries, creating inconveniences to the commuters. Kumbi Urban Development Committee KUDC has launched a Good Morning Kumbi campaign to clean roads which are often made dirty by vehicles including tractors carrying muds from paddy fields amid the harvest season. KUDC volunteers are cleaning the road stretch from Kumbi Bazaar to Kumbi Uchan Makhong. KUDC Secretary Wahingbam Rokri Chan Singh said the campaign was launched on November 15th as muds have posed a serious threat to the commuters. He also said that KUDC, an umbrella organization of local clubs and CSOs, will continue to remove muds from the public road every Sunday. Local residents are also helping KUDC in the road cleaning work. KUDC has also appealed to all farmers, drivers and others not to leave muds on the public roads. K. Sarat Kumar Singh, Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, along with a team of media persons, inspected development works undertaken by him in Jiribam district today. The team inspected Laisem Club building and gym station at Kamraga. Later, they also inspected the road constructed at Kalinagar, where K. Sarat Kumar interacted with the locals. The locals of Kalinagar raised the issue on shortage of water supply in the area. K. Sarat Kumar, during the inspection visit, donated Rs 10,000 to Lairembi Lekai Apunmanupi Marup. K. Sarat Kumar thanked the KYC Club and Maira Paibis of Kalinagar for the work progress.
Tangai Padana, week Amagi Manunga, Lekai Amada, a sing Anirak Natraka Humlakumba Pin and Nabagi plan, a Tozaka to Pisu Pigani, a Kujidibam areas in the Topa area to sing a wabble later. Madu engine Tauraga, sing the Sinsalaga to Rendagi, Sinsanba, Diri to Rendagi, or Barak to Rendagi, Sinsalaraga. Singi Awabasi Latanaba, a Magidagi, a maximum Honavayaba, Honazaki had a name, the short of Jerry, to Luina, Makatana, what a palam, the Koi Lambit Hong Sapagi, Kudong Tiba, Kudong Sadaba, Labor Mayamadu, Makatana, a Satazagani.
45 Chiang Mai constituency MLA Kasim Wasum is short of developing and improving Makui Kong Road in Ukhrul district to connect the district headquarters soon. Makui Kong Road is the best option for villages in western parts of Ukhrul district like Tainem, Phali, Somdal, Sirars Khong and Ringui Tungau to link with the district headquarters. MLA Kasim Wasum was attending a consultative meeting on Makui Kong Road construction organized by Tainem and Phali villages at Ukhrul yesterday. Kasim Wasum during the meet said that out of 13 projects approved, 3 are specially for 45 Chiang Mai constituency. He added under Central Road and Infrastructure Fund CRIF 2 routes along Makui Kong Road, namely Ngaimu Toloi Junction Somdal and Tainem covering 18 km and 16 km respectively will be improved at the cost of rupees 1,548 crore and rupees 1,368 crore respectively. An improvement work on Imphal-Ukhrul Road from New Haven to Talui Junction would also be taken up at the cost of rupees 585 crore under the CRIF. District Social Welfare Office Kakching in collaboration with Ward Number 7 Kakching Municipal Council organized a one-day awareness program on COVID-19 for senior citizens today at Kakching Khunyai Lekai Maning Mando. District Social Welfare Officer Kakching Arambam Kameshwar, Councillor of Kakching Municipal Council Ward Number 7 Sandham Premita and Ward Member Sukham Damenti attended the program. Junaid Jaka Foundation today organized a career guidance and counseling program at Khelakong Khonzil High Madrasa in Thawal district. Our correspondent reports that awards were also handed out to meritorious students of Irong and Khelakong at the event. Junaid Jaka Foundation Director Muhammad Nasimuddin, DM College of Science Principal Dr. Rahejuddin Sheikh, MS Creative School Kwakta Director Muhammad Nasir Khan, Global Education and Techno World Manipur Director Janesh Syed were present at the occasion. In his speech, Junaid Jaka announced that Junaid Jaka Foundation will give cash award of rupees 1 lakh each to those people from Irong to Sekmaijin area who can clear civil services exam, while rupees 50,000 for every person who can clear NEET.
I ending the kind of Maduki Casito, so fill up the woman, I sacrifice the company. Aduna, Nakoin had something but trade Aduda. Kanigumba Pasani, problem lava, transport ki problem lava, Isu Aduda, Institute of Maduki problem lava, inshallah, high trust in a Koiki, the Magnetan.
Thobal Municipal Council Ward Number 1 Councillor Okram Inau Tombi Devi organized 6 meritorious award ceremony at Thobal Okram today. During the function, Councillor Inau Tombi presented gifts to the elders, distributed differently able certificates to 11 differently able people, felicitated 17 meritorious students and 2 artists for arts and culture. The councillor also handed over appreciation certificates to Thobal Kendra COVID-19 aid by DC Thobal and also presented gifts to the volunteers of People for Animals. Let's take another short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Luhungbagi fizang private party singi decor, inaugural function gi balloon decor, birthday party gi balloon decor, formal function singi decor, amadi makhal khuding maki decor gi damak kana leiti haibagi wabi raganu. Apamba machu sizinaduna apamba moongda thawain hek khoida zaba moongda decor sing tobining basingna. Akupa moral gi damak contact tobirau DD Bros Decora Kaisamthong Ahanthem Lekai Imphal. Contact number 8258047042 natraga 7005313996. Akan banong lay nuksit kaya laklabasu apik pa natraga achoba yum oirabasu phaglang sina pumnamak mayok na bangami yam nakali amadi chahi kaya chatli Barak Valley gi masak oiriba akan bagi atopa maming ama oiriba Valley Strong Cement. Valley Strong, very strong.
Khanghanjaba
Tom Cable subscriber singda yamna nungaiba pau amatang khanghanjari madudi Tom Cable ase pay channel on bagaloinana tongan ba khudong chaba kaya pibata natana ayat apan yaudana ahenba services kaya piduna miyamgi thogal mapung fana tawba ngamjaragani subscriber singna isa gi connection gi thagi fee online gi khuthangda prepaid mode oina tidok piduna channel asibu apan ba yaudana nungaina yengbina banolukchari matau karamna online gi khuthangda thagi fee tv gadage haibadu makhada uchari ahanba step ta tomtv.co.in da changbiraga adongi set top box number du mention biraba matungda pijariba package lupa chahum yankhai chamri natraga chamri yankhai sidagi apamba package ama khanbiraba matungda pay online dan nambiu ani suba step ta adongi payment adu confirm tawbiraba matungda pay now da nambiu ahum suba step ta prefer payment methods khanbiraga payment tawbinaba khanghanjari ba Tom TV Cable contact number 8132089758 natraga 8974279099.
Welcome back. Langmai Thet Youth Development Association LYDA and the residents of Nongpok Segmai under Thawal district congratulated Nongpok Segmai police station, which has been selected as this year's best police station of the country by the Ministry of Home and Affairs, Government of India. LYDA also held officers in charge of the police station, Inspector Kaisam Priyokumar Mangang, for his contribution to the police station and help to the people of the area. A team of Imphal West Police Commandos searched houses and verified residents, including insurgents who are on bail at Kwakatil Haino Khongnembi of Imphal West early this morning. The operation was carried out under the supervision of Imphal West Additional Superintendent of Police Operations from 5:15 am to 7:30 am, police said. Around 100 houses were searched and 300 individuals were verified. 4 cadres belonging to the band Pre-Park and PLA currently on bail were also verified. However, no one was picked up in the operation, the police said. A combined team of Thawal Commando and Thawal Police, including women personnel, conducted a house-to-house cordon and search operation at Sangai Yumpham Mairen Khun this morning. During the operation, which started at 5 am and ended at 7:30 am, 70 houses were searched and 250 individuals were verified. However, no individuals were detained or picked up, police said. Mate Tribe Union MTU General Headquarters Teknopal has termed as very unfortunate an article published in the Frontier Manipur on November 22nd last, which went viral on social media. MTU said the article falsely targeted and tainted a particular tribe or clan. A press release from the union further said that the article professed by information and publicity of SDKF Kuki projected More bypass eviction drive as forced eviction in conclusion with a particular tribe. Such random accusations should be avoided in the largest interest of the public, the union urged. It said Benjamin Mate, who has been wrongly charged with corruption, has nothing to do with the land compensation. He selflessly devoted his time and energy to solve the problem of the affected Patadas, MTU maintained. Pudoja Manga, believed to be the Mizoram's oldest man, has passed away in Aizawl. He was 110 and survived by several grand and great-grandchildren. Pung, a resident of Kaulian village under Fulen block in Aizawl district, reportedly breathed his last at 7:15 p.m. yesterday. The Indian Council for Medical Research ICMR has approved a simple and fast method for COVID-19 testing, the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR. This method can not only increase the number of RT-PCR tests but can also bring down cost. According to media reports, the method dry swab direct RT-PCR developed by CSIR's Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology CCMB in Hyderabad is a variation of the existing gold standard RT-PCR method and can easily scale up the testing by 2 to 3-fold with no new investment of resources. Reports added that the CCMB has been testing samples for coronavirus since April. Having worked closely with healthcare workers of Telangana, it identified some of the key issues that slow the testing process. In response to it, the researchers developed the dry swab RNA extractions free testing method for COVID-19. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. MPP continues to witness organizational decline due to infighting. Brown sugar seized, men held at Palel along Imphal More Road. Farmers have new opportunities with new farm laws, says Prime Minister Modi. And one CRPF commando killed, 9 others hurt in IED blast in Chhattisgarh. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur and good night.